5-ingredient pancakes so fluffy, you won't believe how easy they are. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're rushed in the morning but still craving something tasty, you're going to really like this. Today, we'll whip up 5-ingredient fluffy pancakes in no time at all. Let's dive in. Here's everything you'll need. A cup of flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, a cup of milk, and an egg. Simple, right? Mixing ingredients. First, grab a large bowl. Dump in the flour, sugar, and baking powder. Mix it up quickly, just to combine. Add wet ingredients. Next, crack your egg in, add the milk, and whisk everything well. Don't stress about overmixing. Some lumps are perfectly fine, they make the pancakes even fluffier. Now, warm up a non-stick pan on medium heat. You can lightly butter it or use spray, whichever you like. Pour about a quarter cup of batter for each pancake. When you see bubbles forming, that's your cue to flip. Look at those golden beauties, so delicious. Stack them high because you're definitely going to want seconds. Guys, these are soft, fluffy, and just the right amount of sweet. You absolutely need to try these for your busy mornings. That's all for today. If you try making these pancakes, smash that like button and be sure to subscribe for more easy and yummy recipes. Leave a comment below and share. What's your favorite pancake topping? Catch you next time. Bye.